Hi, Ken from Avvora, and today I want to talk about loan structuring. So when considering once you've selected which loan product you're going to go with and you're happy with the fees and the interest that you're paying, the next step is to look at some of the features that you'll be using, which I'll touch on tomorrow, and also the loan structure. So it's best to seek advice from an accountant regarding tax and how that looks if you do own investment properties and also have an owner-occupied property, because it's ideal to structure your loan to maximize your tax benefits. Generally speaking, as a broker, I tend to separate deductible debt with non-deductible debt, and there are certainly advantages in doing so. But speak to a tax specialist, which would be your accountant if you have one, and they'll be able to give you an idea on what is deductible items and what is non-deductible debt. And from there, you'll be able to then decide what you're going to look at. So when you're looking at a loan structure, generally you're choosing what the loan splits will look like. So as opposed to getting one loan and one product and one limit, so a $500,000 loan amount in just one split or one loan, it may be ideal to break that into different portions. So you might have maybe 400,000 in one side and a second split with 100,000. And that way you're able to manage a little bit better where your debt is and whether it's deductible and non-deductible. But that's certainly something to get advice from your accountant in terms of what that looks like for yourself. But in terms of options from a credit perspective, that's certainly something that you can do and look into. So when you are applying, whether you're applying directly to a lender or a broker, generally speaking, a broker will look at the loan structuring for you, and off the back of that, structure your loan in such a way that you maximize your tax deductions when we work with an accountant or your accountant. So that's something to keep in mind when you are out there shopping for a home loan. It's not all about rates, as we've covered. So there's a lot of things in terms of comparison rates, fees and charges, of course the interest costs, and now loan structuring. So if you have any questions, just let me know, drop a comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow.